this is Nikki.
This is Susan Zheng.
We are from Zhejiang Ounuo Machinery. The topic for today is why more and more customers are choosing Ounuo paper bag machine. Because Ounuo Machinery adheres to the customer-centric in order to solve customer pain points and developed a 220 paper bag machine independently.
Compared to the past, our current model machine has 5 advantages. First, A220 has the leading speed in the industry. Handle bag, a single shift capacity over 100,000 pieces, which can greatly enhance production efficiency and profitability. Second, the handle system is highly stable, ensuring the quality and appearance of their paper bag with its accurate pre-cutting position that has an error margin less than 1 millimeter. Third, the machine features precise traction tension control, allowing for high-speed operation and continuous paper feeding. Fourth, the control of multiple servo motors helps to save at least 1 hour in debugging time, reducing labor cost and waste. Fifth, fully automated collection system saves 1 labor cost.
The products produced by this equipment are widely used in a variety of industries such as takeaway tea and beverage, advertising, gifts, and so on. It's the best choice to enhance brand image, save cost, and increase profit.
Thanks for more and more leaders in the paper bag industry who trust and choose Ounuo.
Follow us to learn more about the industry advanced equipment.
See you next time. Bye bye.